What is up, everybody? So today we are back and modding the Toyota Tundra. So this is a 2015 Tundra. It was one of the earlier years of a long span in this generation. Now later on in the generation they were able to upgrade these headlights with some nice LED running lights, LED headlights, and then LED fog lights. But this is a 2015. It has all halogen and it's very ugly in my opinion, just being all yellow. So today our goal is to modernize the truck and replace the headlights with LEDs, the fog lights with LEDs, and I think it will look a lot better when it's rolling down the road. So let me know what you guys think. Let's check out exactly what I bought and let me know if you guys have any questions along the way. Alright, so here's what we got. I got these headlight housings off of Amazon, and now they mimic the OEM styling where it has the LED running light and then it has LED bulbs in there, so it should look similar, if not exactly how the new trucks look. And what I really like about this is it has a black housing in here. You have a couple different options. Some of the OEM Toyota trucks come with like a chrome or a silver housing. This one has the black, which I think will really fit the theme of the truck. And then it will also fit the theme of the fog light. So these are OEM Toyota fog lights. I did the exact LED fog light on my 4Runner, so go check out that video if you'd like. Easy to install, and I know they're high quality because they are OEM Toyotas. That should look really good. I'll leave a link to both of these in the description below. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and let's put them on the truck. Alright, so we got the fog light in. Quick lesson learned is I tried to do it through like the headlight bezel up here, and that's not the way to do it. You definitely need to come in from where the tire and the wheel well is. There's a couple bolts on the bottom and there's one fender clip in there, so definitely remove all that stuff. Get your wheel out of your way and you can bolt it in right from the back, so not that bad. Alright, before I go ahead and finish this job, I did want to show you the before and after. So on the left, we have the original, that nice, horrible yellow headlight, and then here you have the white. And I think the biggest difference obviously was in the headlights, but I was really impressed with how the fog lights turned out. They just look absolutely awesome. So you have that nice crystal white LED, and the fog lights are way, way brighter on the aftermarket. So one thing you will notice, and I'll have it fixed by the end of this video, is the daytime running light is not working. Alright, it has been a while since I finished this install, and let me quick interrupt you and say you need one extra harness. While I was installing this, I couldn't figure out why the daytime running light wouldn't turn on. I thought that my headlights had a factory daytime running light harness because it has this LED little sequence down here. That is not a daytime running light. If you have this version, your truck does not have daytime running lights, or at least a harness to get the new ones to work. So now I get to literally disassemble the whole headlight just to plug this in. So this is very easy. There is my add-a fuse right there, and it's that lowest 10 amp ignition fuse. So basically all you do is pull out the original fuse that was there, and then double up 2 fuses in that add-a fuse, and you route it to one headlight and to the other. Alright, and this is the light that they cast, so you can see kind of like one of the effects from the mirrored housing versus like a projector that's on the bottom is this mirrored housing. You get a little bit of light that casts away, and then you can't get a perfectly flat line like you can with projectors. So you can see just how crisp that line is from the projector fog lights. And then the adjustment allowed me to get it pretty flat, the flattest that I could. And then of course I screwed up the fog light. That should really be a little bit higher. But all in all, the output is absolutely awesome. These things really, really rock, and they just look really nice in the nighttime. Alright, so it has literally been 2 months since I first installed these headlights, and then now I finally finished the video after I got the daytime running lights working. So overall thoughts on the headlights are they rock. They look really good when they're rolling down the road, and the quality of them is actually really good. I haven't had any condensation issues. The motors in them to raise and lower them work great. And then the way that they cast their light is pretty good. So I would 10 out of 10 recommend them. And then of course I would recommend the Toyota OEM fog lights. Second time I ran these, they just look super crisp, and this whole setup looks really, really nice. And then of course, compared to the factory, these ones look really nice. No more yellow bulbs, no more of this ridiculous chrome. We just move into this nice, simple white LED. So thank you guys for watching. A lot more in store for this truck. Let me know if you want to see anything else in specific, and we'll catch you on the next one.